Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder issue. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder issue, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about the application of Tinder. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here in this window of storage you will enter, and after that in this page we click clear cache, and in the end, as you see here, you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, then you will wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.